Getting ready to attack it. If you could smell that. That's the one from the photo from yesterday. Starting with the flex shaft. And we're set up there somewhere.
Yeah, I'm gonna give this.
Not a lot of room down here.
Does that one work up here?
I need that garden hose
Okay.
in the camera. Oh wow.
Did you already get through?
Yeah, it looks like it dropped. But this way, the water's our best friend now.
Oh.
To try to get that stuff through there. Wow, is that stinking.
I'm missing it all from up here.
Body.
Oh, nice.
Wow. Whew. Only a little bit of nastiness. Sounds like it might be coming back.
We just ride that boat wave insane. Boom, boom, boom. Welcome to Doo-Doo Town. Let the bass line hit, don't make no sound. Do-do, bounce with the beat profound. It's a vibe, it's a trip, it's a whole new crown. Boom, boom, boom. Shut the silence down. Put the woofer to the max, let the drains go down. Do-do, yeah, we run this town. Say the name, feel the name. Do-do.
Hey Matt, where we at?
At Haveli's in North Conway, New Hampshire. About to shout out on some lamb korma. Got my rice.
Some rice there. Some lamb korma. I got the butter chicken. I went for the medium heat. The coconut naan bread, and I just threw my rice all on there. And we got the mango drinks, mango lassies. That's what you got there, Matt.
Some lollipop chicken from Haveli's.
Matt opted for the not spicy.
Boss taking me to lunch, I go for the bougie package.
I ate it all, I left nothing. Excellent.
Yeah. Welcome to the place where the clocks don't go down. We taking a ride down to Doo-Doo Town. Let's go. Boom, boom.